uh, uh, interest here. Okay, so since it is deployment is in progress, okay, so just make this duplicate tab. Okay, so what is the IP that we found for this, um, mm, IP of this virtual machine? Okay, go to this virtual machine over here, and the private IP I want to connect, right? So how we are going to validate, and let's see. Okay, so that is also we can explore it. Uh, yeah, I could see this private IP over here. Okay, so this is 10.0.0.4, right? This is the private IP. Public IP you can connect. Just go to the on-premises server, go to the command line. Okay, so just try to ping now, or else why it is coming. Okay, ping 10.0.0.4. Okay, I find T. It is not connecting, right? So even you have the SQL Management Studio, just try to use that one. Meantime, so post successfully deployment, how it is going to work to connectivity SQL. This is what our agenda actually. I, I don't want to connect this server actually. I want to connect my SQL application from on-premises, either server or your client machine or your laptop, whatever. Okay, so the destination would be, you have enough feasibilities of like your server, your application, your Mac OS, Android, whatever you want, you can connect it, but you would have to prerequisite installing of the certificate and all. Still I cannot able to connect, right? The same thing we will validate. So our goal is to connectivity of the SQL server, not for the Windows server. Okay, so that's what this dependency related stuff we are ensuring to connectivity. Okay, let's me try to undo. Okay, so since it is in deployment is in progress. Okay, so yeah, it's still it is going on, no problem. Okay, that's fine. um and one more thing, I just want to do some experiment. Okay, so uh what I can say, we just want to do some build free website related stuff. Uh, we have thousands of weblet templates. Okay, so we can download and see that. Okay, so I want uh, technology related. Okay, so simple. I want to download. Here is a lot of templates is available for the website that I'm just going to download it here. Let's take it up this first one. Okay. Simple, we just need to download this. That's it. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, it is going to download and copy paste it over there. Okay. So let's see one more time why it is taking so a lot of time. Let's refresh this once again. Okay, so mostly it is got done. Okay, so meantime, let me try to see this open or not. Okay, still I am not able to connecting. I'm just trying to open my this management studio one. Okay, so once it is done, well, so it has got open now. Okay, so it's now take this IP, what the IP that we are trying to connect the SQL server, right? So let let's see this. Okay, just remove this. Okay, so 10.0.0.4 and SQL authentication I'm trying to connect. SQL admin is my username, login name, and password. Okay, it's password I just know. So it will not connect it. So it definitely is going to throw error. And here also the request timeout it says that. Okay. Let's see one more time the deployment is got succeeded or not. Still it is being deploying process. So meantime, what I'm going to do, I just downloaded one template file. Okay, so that is a website. Go to this, download path. Okay, so here is my content is available. So what I'm going to do, okay, so go to this one and try to connect this server as well. Okay, so by using of the public IP, I'm just trying to connect at this moment for to deploy the site website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is enter mstsd. Don't confuse. This is just public IP I'm using, not for the private IP. Okay, so private IP once after the installation is done, then only we can able to connect. Okay, just I want to deploy quickly for this site. That's what I'm trying to connect at this moment. Just wait, right? So this is my uh, okay. So what you need to do typically, just go to the local server and disable this internet one. Otherwise, we'll get a lot of pop-ups over here. Okay, so okay, and go to the dashboard. And here is the roles. Okay, just I want to install the IS application here. Okay, so where is that IS Internet Information Service should be there. Okay, so I could not see anywhere. Just go to the next option. Yeah, it is IS extension is there. Where is that? Here is web server is IS server. Sorry. Just take that option. Just install it. Okay. Simply you can find this installation process just 1 or 2 minutes only. Meantime, I just want to do this experiment as well, how it is going to connect. Okay. So this IS information is you can find into the C drive. Okay. So we have an Windows. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, it is in progress. That's what that inetpub I can have able to see. Just now it is created 551, right? Five just now with the folder got created. Let's finish this one. So how we are going to do the deployment, website deployment over here. Okay, so let's see that cloud one, the deployment is done or not. Okay, here is my, I don't know. Let me refresh once again. Okay, so let's finish that one. Otherwise, we'll get a lot of complications here. Okay, so maybe uh, it is taking too long time. Meantime, we'll do some experiment here. Okay, so what we are doing exactly now? This is done. Okay, so mostly the installation is succeeded. Close, go to this default path. Okay, so Windows C inetpub root. So this is the default website path actually. If you could take this IP address of this virtual machine, you can find out uh, what is the website. Okay, just uh, copy this and try to face this from locally. You can see this IIS site information. Okay, not here. I'll go to here and try to see. I'm just taking the public IP. I just want to show that what exactly the uh, inside of the server, this logo and all. Okay, let's see. Okay, site is not reachable. Cool. What I can do? Okay, so I got it. This one. Why it is throwing error? Because of the server is not having the ports actually. Okay, only it is having 3389 port number. Okay, so you don't have any port of the HTTP and HTTPS port number. Okay, so simple, you just click OK. So 808 uh, HTTP port. Okay, so it is going to uh, work. Let's see now. Okay, once it is done. Okay, so we could able to face that. What is this? Firewall, just refresh. Okay. Let's see, I just added the 80 port number, whether it is reflecting or not. Yeah, see now the IS server is it is available into this server end. Okay, so since we just deployed, right? So that is what we did is basically okay. So let me make this all these things. Okay, what is that? It is not why. So now what I'm going to do, just before we discuss, right? So go to this Windows, C drive, uh, inetpub, and double root. So here is my um, path is available, right? So what I go now, and just go to just before we did some custom um, thing. I mean to say that custom template. Okay, just copy this. Okay, so go to the VM and delete the entire thing here and paste it to your content here. Okay, so just right click and paste it here and refresh after some time. You will get the website what we selected. Basically what we selected here, some that uh, I think this is the one site I just downloaded the entire template, right? Let's see, everything is copied and done. You could see this, access is DNS 403, it is coming. Let's wait some time. Okay, so once it is copies, everything is done. You could see this, content into your website, into your local machine. Okay, but still I am just connecting with the public IP. That is not a way what we are going to do, on premises by using of the public IP of this, not public IP in the private IP. Okay, just bear with me some time so that the SQL related stuff as well we can verify it. Okay, just simple refresh this one. You'll get new pop-up window that will make you this new website. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's done now. So just simple do the refresh over here. So you may get some new website information here. Okay. See, before this is the site, default IS site. Now if you can refresh, the new website is got Medi plus one. We just deployed the website here. Okay. See here, now this is your website. Okay. Simple thing is what we did is by connectivity of entire thing. Okay. So you can do some customization, take appointment, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Even just before it is throwing error, now you can see this, entire application. Okay, but not for this public IP. Okay, so I want my private IP. What is the private IP? Private IP you cannot able to connect 10.0.0.4. Press enter. So it will throw error. Okay, so there is no doubt at all. Okay, so for this private IP for this site, it is not going to work. And also my on-premises server, okay, so which we cannot able to connect in everything. Okay, let me show you the site related stuff. I'm just opening my browser into my on-premises local server where I can able to fetch this information. All is getting, what we call error, not able to connecting, blah blah, it is showing, right? So just bear with me 5 minutes so that we can, once this deployment is done, we can verify it, try to check that website, database, restoration, everything we can able to see. So what is the IP now? What you want to connect this site is basically 10.0. But private IP, public IP, it will connect. But if you can take the private IP, it is throw error. See, wait some time and see this. So all the scenarios, so you just ensuring the SQL is not connecting, pinging is not working. Okay, just Control C, CLS, up arrow, try to do ping parameter, right? All right. Now, the one more prerequisite what I'm going to do. Okay, so just go to this one and try to open this network internet path. There is a one blocker thing. I'll show this one as well. Firewall related stuff. We just need to disable into the public network activity. Okay, so that also I'll just make sure. Okay, in this cloud. So see, this is now getting uh, everything is not working. Everything is not working. Now, what is the next action item? What we are going to do? Basically, just go to this connectivity part, VPN connectivity. Okay, I'm just reconnecting once again. Hopefully that deployment is done mostly. Let's see whether we can able to see or not. Okay, no, nothing I can able to see over here. Just go to the points to site configuration, and here is our VPN client. Able to see this VPN client now? So what I'm going to do, since it is completely done, just download this client. Okay, download this client, VPN client. Okay, so it is downloading now. Just wait some time. Okay, so in that one, what we are going to do, you just take this, 64-bit VPN client software and install into your local. This is my local server. This is my cloud server. Okay. Post installation also, it is not going to work, but there is some blocker firewall that we are going to disable. Post that, it will connect. Okay. Right. So what I'm going to do now, this is my VPN client information. Just go to the path where it is got downloaded. First of all, you just need to extract this one. Okay, so extract all. Where is go? Okay, so once the extraction is done, you can see this Windows AMD 64. So you have multiple options to correct configuration. Just copy this one. Okay, just copy this one. Go to your local server. Still, it is not working. This is not working, and this is also not working, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, go to my uh, uh, desktop path. Okay, so that you can do some copy paste here. Just what I'm doing, just paste it this, VPN client software which I downloaded just before. Okay, so just navigate here. Hey, it is not showing still. Let me see. Yeah, it is there now. Okay, just open the software and right click, run as administrator. Okay, so still VPN client is not installed. So P2S.vnet is there. So here I want to show you folks once again. Okay, so go to this VPN client settings information, and there is VPN option. Nothing is there, right? So now install now. Just install it. Okay, it is done. Hopefully it is done. Now go to this option. See, there is a point to site VPN connectivity is there. What we need to do now? Just simple press connect. Okay, so still not connected here. Let's see, there is a connect option. Continue. It is connecting now. Certification is verified. Okay, you got this extension authentication protocol 789. Okay, not connected. I did this option. Certificate. Save. Let's see what this is or what we need to do actually. Okay, good. Okay, should I change the certificate name? Something went wrong. Okay, so reset gateway, Azure portal, support troubleshooting, remove VPN and my VPN Windows 10 and reboot the PC. I think we just need to do some manually. I am creating VPN Azure created local computer. I configured this one 727. This is the correct one only. Error is seems suggesting certificate is not found. Does this matter? Okay, should I change the certificate? Okay. Create self-signed certificate. You have to name of the local laptop. Add the self-signed certificate as a certificate authority. Copy the new certificate trusted root domain. Export the certificate and certificate part VPN root certificate. Download the VPN. Connect the path. This is what we did actually. Let's see this. I want to remove. Okay, so done. And add the certificate related stuff. Windows connection name. Point to site. Uh, server host IP address. Not going to do like. Let's see one more time to refresh client setup. Okay, let's do one more time. You microsite connection option, click connect. Okay. Again, the same error is coming. See this other alternative option. Scroll down. Okay, what we need to do? Microsoft other link. What they are suggesting now. Yeah, this is only the thing we did right. Okay. So I am creating VPN Azure and create a self-run certificate. FQD name the name certificate name to start root. Okay. Should I change the certificate name from Azure set right. Okay, so yeah, here this Azure certificate only we have taken. Let's see. Local consumption certificate. Substance certificate with the FQD name of the local laptop.